Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have a new project to show you, and the reason for that, my sister got an accident. And if you guys remember in the videos, probably 3-4 months, no, it was like a year ago, right? About a year ago. So 2 weeks ago she got an accident. Somebody rear-ended her, and the person did not have insurance. So the Mazda is totaled. We're gonna fix that vehicle, so my parents have as a backup vehicle. We're just gonna beat it up as best as we can, and it's gonna be ugly backup vehicle. But it's time for to replace the vehicle to her. So I got the 2014 or 2016 Volkswagen Jetta that been sitting on my buddy's yard for years now. I got that thing really cheap, 500 bucks, and then I got half a year later I got the parts car from Texas. I got it 1,500 bucks plus invest 1,000 bucks to bring it over here plus auction fee. I believe it cost me right around $3,000. So right now my plan is to go to my buddy's, pick up the wrecked vehicle, drop it off somewhere over here at my yard, junkyard, whatever. And the second thing, we need to go pick up the parts vehicle off of there. So Michael, he's right over there, show it to them. And Daria, she's actually the one who's recording me right now.
Hi. I don't know if you can
So they're gonna be helping me on Lida's project. They're gonna prepare all the parts that needs to be sent. I'll paint them, and they're gonna send it from outside and paint the whole car. So basically they're gonna be involved in this project. Lida, my sister, she doesn't know about it, so this is kind of secret, and this is gonna be present from us, from parents and sister and brothers. So that's the plan. That's where we're gonna be doing. That's another present vehicle gonna be, but it's gonna be a nicer vehicle, and I'll show you guys when we're gonna get there. So hopefully everything gonna go smooth while they're gonna be working on that vehicle, preparing stuff. I'm gonna be doing something else like a BMW or other projects. And during these days they're gonna go to spring break or summer break pretty soon, and they're gonna help me with a lot of those projects that I have and haven't had a time to finish them. So they're gonna be my help to do so. Hopefully Michael is gonna be more on the channel to show. I'll teach him what needs to be done, how it needs to be done, and probably you guys gonna see him more often on the channel. So now let's hop in the truck, let's go there and pick up those two cars. Basically guys, this is it. This is the vehicle. So I got the front end damage a little bit over here, which can be fixed easily. Some intake plastics and all that. I'm thinking the frame is pretty good. Airbags blowing. It's been sitting here since 10, 11, 17, so since November 17, something like that. October, November, anyway, somewhere over there. So this will be cut over here, or straighten it, cut over there, and fix that. I have another one for parts over there. I'll show you later. Windshield needs to be replaced. I'm debating either change this door or fix it. It's not hard to fix it, and at the same time I have another door which I could use for this particular vehicle and fix this door later, or just freaking fix it and be over with it. The glass shattered over here, that's replaceable. Some dents over here. Quarter panel damaged. Mostly of this can be pulled out by PDR, but since door gonna be painting as well, the whole side gonna be painting, cause that needs to be fixed. Some dents over here, probably caused by me. On this side we also have damage on this side, so both doors needs to be replaced, and the skin on the apron needs to be replaced. Mostly everything changeable except that corner. The whole front end I have off of the other vehicle. I mean, it's ugly. 43,000 miles. It is ugly. Damage over here, but again, this vehicle is only $500. I could not pass that along, and knowing I can get the vehicle for this plan, initial plan was for my mom. I wanted to replace the vehicle to my mom, but things didn't work out. Oh well, now it's gonna go to my sister. So now we have to figure the way out how to load this thing on the trailer, because we can't start this vehicle. Hopefully I'll be able to figure it out how to do that, maybe with some other help of other vehicle, but we'll see. It started raining, so let's get to work. So guys, finally we got this freaking thing on the trailer. It did not want to work the way I thought it would work, but again, it's rainy and it's slippery, so the truck could not it could easily pull in, but it could not pull in at the same time because it was spinning the tires. So the thing is on the trailer. We're gonna hook it up and go home, unload it, and we're gonna come back to pick up this thing over here. This is the parts vehicle, so let's hook it up and we'll go home. Okay guys, got the bolt vehicles here. As you can see, this is the smashed one that I'm gonna be rebuilding. So I know it looks ugly and all that, but it's way easier to fix this one compared to this one. This one would be same thing as that. Let's see, what's that? BMW, because it would be shell swap. Over here, suspension will be replaced. Same thing over here, upper lower control arms. Let's see. This is only control arms that bent. There's no damage to the engine or anything else. I mean, over here, plastic intake broken, and the motor mount because the way it got hit. Anyway, so let's go over this the parts card. I showed you previously briefly. So everything is disassembled. Like I said, I started up, actually not started, actually yes and no. I started the project and then some other things came up, and there's three or four projects that I started, and the life situation changed, so I could not continue on them. Headlights over here. I have a headliner over here. I put it away like that so it doesn't get damaged. I mean, since the car was water flood, I don't care if any water gonna get into it. And also it was covered, intake as you can see off. I duct tape it and it's probably already, I don't think there's water in it, because I mean, again, it's been it's been covered though. This vehicle never been in wreck. Pickup date, so that's 9 whatever 15 or whatever that is, and 2017. It's, oh man, almost 4 years. Some of the projects I had a long time and they just needs to be finished. So front bumper, fender, there's a grill, I mean everything is over here. New radiators and all that, they are somewhere over there. Anyway, there's still a lot of parts that I can use for maybe some other project, but honestly right now I wanna be done with all of my projects that I have, whatever over there, you know, other cars that I started and never had a chance to finish it because, like I said, in a life situation in 2017 there was a huge change in my life. There things happened and pushed out everything, screwed my life. Not to screw it, it kind of screwed me over, and at the same time taught me a lot of things, and from that point a lot of things being changed. So yeah, just because of that, what happened in 2017, I'm here on YouTube. So I guess thanks to that, whatever happened, and we might gonna talk about it later when I feel like it, but I don't feel like it's time, and it's more of a personal. So both of those Volkswagens here, we gonna make, me and Michael, whatever, whoever is gonna help, one vehicle out of two, and that thing's gonna look awesome. Yes, the whole car is gonna be painted. Oh well, what can you do about it, right? If I would have finished this car 3 years ago, it would have been make sense, but right now I know some of you gonna say, hey, it doesn't make sense, it's damaged too much and blah blah blah. Like I told you guys before, I like the challenges and I like the heavy hit vehicles, because when you're fixing them you're getting a lot of experience that you cannot get with the little damage. Yes, little damage vehicles easier to fix and that, but I don't know, it's just the way I am. I like the heavy hits. I don't know, I just like them. I like challenges. So this is it, guys. You got all the plans what I'm gonna be doing with it. In next episode you guys gonna start seeing where start working on those vehicles. This one gonna get disassembled, the other one is gonna get reassembled and fixed. So hopefully you enjoyed. Like the video, comment down below, subscribe if you haven't and if you like it. And in the meantime, while you're waiting, if you want to see inside scoop before YouTube, make sure you follow me on Instagram at Salvagemasterv. Thank you for stopping by. I'll catch you next one.